Hey guys, what's going on? It's HotDiecast Garage, and today we're taking a look at the Gator Garage Attack playset, which is new for 2018. This new set was sent to me from Mattel along with some other products, so a big thank you to them for sponsoring this video. The Gator Garage is part of the newest series of Hot Wheels City Builder sets where the creatures are taking over Hot Wheels City. There is a ton of fun packed inside each of these new city packs, and I'll be opening and reviewing more parts of the city in future videos. In this Gator Garage, you can move some robotic arms to fix your car at the shop, but you have to watch out for the chomping gator, which might snap at your Hot Wheels car. The best part about Gator Garage Attack is that it will connect to your other Hot Wheels City sets and also to Orange Track Builder parts too. Gator Garage sparks motor skills in kids and also fuels their imagination through play, which is the best kind of fun. Now let's get this Gator out of the box. You can open this one from the bottom just like the other Hot Wheels playsets. Alright, so here we have the Gator Garage out of the package and it's almost ready to go. In the bottom of the box there were also some instructions and a poster which shows off the entire epic Hot Wheels City. It shows a checklist of each new playset on the back too, so you can keep track of which ones you still have to find. The garage came with one Hot Wheels car, which is a yellow color of Turbot, so let's get him out of the street here. On the right side of the garage, there's a car lift where you can park your Hot Wheels to operate on. And over on the left side, there are two robotic arms to perform some mechanical work on your vehicles. The scary thing is, even when the garage is closed up, you can still tell there might be something lurking inside. I love the look of this Hot Wheels garage. Even if you're not a fan of playing with your cars, it's a great piece for a Hot Wheels collection. On all of the corners, you can attach orange Hot Wheels track builder pieces to expand this or connect it with other sets in the series. And it just so happens we've got a track pack to open up, so we can add some streets to our playset. All you have to do is use a blue connector to link a piece of orange track to the sides of the Gator Garage so your cars can travel from place to place. Now that we've got the garage set up properly, it's time to test the #1 feature of this exciting set. This Gator is terrifying, so let's close up the shop again by lifting the two halves together and lock that beast up in the garage. These red speed bumps randomly trigger the Gator attack, so you can never be sure when he's going to bite. Okay, so I think we should drive some cars past the garage and see what happens, starting with Turbot, who came with the set. Let's try another one of my favorite new cars, the BMW M2. Maybe a loud orange Lamborghini will wake the Gator up from its nap. I noticed that Mr. Gator doesn't like it when you play with his tail. This garage has some awesome details molded all around the set, and my favorite detail is the bone shaker and twin mill on the back of the garage. So there we have the Gator Garage Attack, which is a super fun new playset from the 2018 Hot Wheels City. Thank you again to Mattel for sending this to me. I'll be showing more of these awesome sets in future videos, so make sure you guys subscribe for more Hot Wheels fun.